The BMW M2 2025 stands as one of the most exciting compact performance cars in the world, and today on Autoland 2025 we are taking a deep dive into what makes this machine truly special. The 2025 M2 carries forward the iconic M legacy with a stunning combination of raw power, sharp handling, and modern technology. BMW has crafted this model for true driving enthusiasts who want a pure and thrilling experience every time they get behind the wheel. The exterior of the BMW M2 is an instant attention grabber with its bold and muscular stance. The wide fenders, aggressive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic body lines create a perfect blend of sportiness and elegance. The redesigned front bumper gives the car a more dynamic presence, while the quad exhaust system at the back reminds you that this is not a regular 2 Series. Every angle of the M2 reflects power and precision, making it a dream for anyone who loves performance-focused design. Under the hood, the BMW M2 2025 is equipped with a high-performance 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine that delivers thrilling acceleration and outstanding top-end power. The engine produces impressive horsepower, allowing the M2 to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just a few seconds. Whether you choose the manual transmission for a more engaging drive or the automatic gearbox for lightning-fast shifts, the M2 offers a driving experience that satisfies every type of enthusiast. The rear-wheel drive setup gives you maximum control and excitement, especially when pushing the car through corners or accelerating on open roads. BMW's M division has tuned the suspension to perfection, balancing stiffness and comfort to create a car that feels stable, sharp, and responsive in all situations. Inside the 2025 M2, BMW continues its commitment to premium craftsmanship and advanced technology. The cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials, including leather seats, carbon fiber trim, and soft-touch surfaces. The redesigned dashboard features BMW's latest curved display, merging the digital driver's cluster with the infotainment screen for a clean, modern look. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, navigation, and customizable drive settings. The sporty bucket seats offer perfect support during high-speed cornering while remaining comfortable for long drives. Ambient lighting adds a luxurious feel, making the interior a place where performance meets comfort. When it comes to performance on the road, the BMW M2 truly shines. The steering is sharp and direct, giving you confidence whether you're cruising on highways or attacking winding mountain roads. The M-tuned brakes offer powerful stopping ability, ensuring complete control even at high speeds. With selectable driving modes, you can customize the M2's behavior to match your mood, whether you want a relaxed daily drive or a full power track-ready experience. The exhaust note is another highlight, delivering a deep and aggressive sound that enhances the thrill of driving and lets everyone around you know that an M car has arrived. BMW has also focused on advanced safety and driver assistance features. The 2025 M2 includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. Although this car is built for enthusiasts, BMW ensures it remains safe, practical, and easy to drive in everyday situations. The balance between performance and modern convenience makes the M2 suitable for both track lovers and daily commuters. Fuel efficiency is improved compared to previous models thanks to better aerodynamics and refined engine tuning. While the M2 is undeniably a performance car, BMW has worked to keep running costs reasonable without compromising on excitement. Whether you're revving the engine on a weekend drive or using the car for your daily commute, the M2 adapts smoothly to your lifestyle. The 2025 BMW M2 stands as a perfect example of how performance cars should be designed today. It stays true to BMW's heritage while embracing modern technology and engineering improvements. The combination of sharp styling, a powerful engine, a luxurious yet sporty interior, and world-class driving dynamics makes this car a complete package. It is not just a vehicle, it's an experience that brings excitement, passion, and pure driving joy. If you are a fan of performance cars, the BMW M2 2025 is a model you absolutely need to know about. Whether you admire it for its design, its engineering brilliance, or its track-ready performance, there is no doubt that this car deserves all the attention it gets. The M2 continues to set new standards in the compact sports car segment, delivering an unforgettable driving experience every time you hit the road. Thank you for watching this detailed review of the BMW M2 2025 on Autoland 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content, and I will see you in the next video.